this conference is really amazing. I mean, I didn't see the screen on the first day, but when I saw it, I'm like, this is like the most impressive venue I've ever seen out of all the conferences I've been to.
Legendary, I think. It's yeah, it's been organized very well and everything goes very smoothly.
It's very intimidating to step away from the people you know and step out of your own bubble. And going to a conference alone is really kind of not fun sometimes, but try, if you're too shy to speak to speakers, at least speak to other attendees, because you're always going to learn something. It's really interesting. But just know that the speakers are here for you, and we're happy to talk about what we do, because we have passion about what we do, and we want to impart it as much as we can. I have to say that I've never seen a venue like this. I mean, I've spoken in movie theaters before. In Bulgaria, we had a pretty big movie theater and we were all a little bit intimidated by that. But here you see the wraparound screen and the monster sound system and you're like, so it's pretty exciting, I have to say. Well done with that.
Probably seeing Evan talk, it was really good to hear about like how far the community's come since just last year.